Good morning, children. Welcome to video class. Last class has discussed about president and vice president. What is eligible? What is the duty? What is the power of president and vice president? Now, discuss about the Council of Prime Minister in India. The role of the Prime Minister in India. The Council of Ministers and Prime Minister. Ministers and Prime Minister. The Prime Minister and Council of Ministers are chosen among the members of Parliament. The role of the Parliament is not only to make a laws but also to provide members who run the government according to laws. Hence, it is said the Indian has parliamentary form of government. Okay, the role of Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister is the senior most member of cabinet. Understand, very important. The Prime Minister is the senior most member of the cabinet in the executive government in a parliament system. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President. Very important. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President, who also appoints others ministers on advice of Prime Minister. The Council of Calculating responsible to the Lok Sabha. The Prime Minister chairs meeting of the cabinet. The Prime Minister supervises the functions of various ministers. The role of the Parliament is not only make a law but also provide member who run the government according to the laws. Understand? This laws role two separate. What is that? One is called legislative, that is make a laws. Next, the other is executive, which is implement the laws and decision of Parliament. Important. One is called legislative, that is to make a laws. The other is executive, which is the implement the laws and the decision of the Parliament. Very important. The head of the executive is the President. The head of the executive is the President. Who is the President now? Ramnath Kovind. So, the role of the Prime Minister is a next. All decisions of the government of India are taken in the name of the President. Very important. All decisions the government of India are taken is the name of the President, who is the head of the country. Formal of head of the country. However, the President acts according to the advice of the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The Cabinet functions as executive wings of the government. Understand? The Cabinet functions the executive wings of the government. Once again, all decisions of the government of India are taken is the name of the President, who is the formal head of the country. However, the President acts according to the advice of Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. The Cabinet functions as executive wings of the ministers. Now, discuss The work of the government is divided into a number of areas like finance, agriculture, foreign affairs, defense, railways, education, law, etc. So, the works government is divided into many ministers. The first ministry of the domination of India, 1950, October 26th, they start this ministry, Nehru ministry. Who is the first president of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, portfolio, Prime Minister of India. And second, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Deputy Prime Minister of India and Information Minister. Third one, Rajagopalachari, Home Minister. Fourth, R.K. Shanmugam Shetty, Finance Minister. Fifth, B.R. Ambedkar, Law Minister. Baldev Singh, Defense Minister. Baldev Singh, Defense Minister. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Education Minister. Rajendra Prasad, Food and Agriculture. Jagjeevan Ram, Labour Minister. Is a very important ministry of Nehru. Okay, so this is a first ministry of the domination of India. Now, the cabinet functions of all the executive wings of government. They also implement the law and ministers of country according to the laws, plan programs for development and implement them. Understand? The ministry is a large number of the officials headed by secretary who handle the day-to-day works of the ministry. That is, prepare notes and proposals of various issues that the minister is taking the information, discussion, and the implementation of this discussion is also responsibility of the ministry of officers. So, this is a important of the first minister and role of the Prime Minister of India. Very, very important. So, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.